Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is not working in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see your airplane mode, and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off airplane mode, then check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection, and then scroll down and click on system and update, and click on backup and reset. Now here you can see the option reset phone. Now click on it and click on reset network settings. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Now here enter your password to erase all your data. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.